morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Adeyemo Queen Esther. I'm a medical doctor by profession. I obtained my first degree from Ternopil State Medical University in Ukraine. Then I got an African Union scholarship in 2 years after my graduation to pursue a program in reproductive health from Pan African University in Nigeria. After which, I began to work with Kaduna State Ministry of Health in Nigeria. Kaduna State happens to be one of the northwestern states in Nigeria. So I was working in the hospital as a medical officer and participating in the reproductive health clinic. And second to that, I was the focal person for gender-based violence and HIV prophylaxis and management. Some of my duties was to attend to ensure reproductive health of the patients, especially the women, engaging in family planning, and also with male involvement to help them to cooperate with their wives to obtain family planning. And then, as a focal person for gender-based violence, we ensured that every gender-based violence was reported and perpetrators were punished duly. And we also gave counsels and treatments to the victims of the abuse. And then for the HIV patients, we ensured that they complied with their treatments, follow up on collections of their drugs and test of their viral load, as well as attend to some of their health concerns in order to reduce the viral load and the progression of the HIV to the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. And then we also ensured to prevent child to mother transmission of the virus. Okay, so a little bit about my personal background. I was born and raised in the northern part of Nigeria, in the same Kaduna State to be precise. So I was born there. I'm in a family of 6 children. I happen to be the fifth born. Yes. So and I lived in Kaduna and attended my early school education in the same state until the year 2009, when I left for Ukraine for my higher education pursuits. Okay, so thank you very much. It's really nice to meet you all.